Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Proton Drive files with offline copies, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Proton Drive files with offline copies, open your web browser. Navigate to the Proton Drive website and log into your account. Locate the files or folders you wish to back up. Select the files or folders by clicking on them. Look for the download option, usually represented by a downward arrow icon. Click the download option to start downloading your selected files. Choose a destination folder on your computer to save the downloaded files. Ensure that your internet connection is stable during the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the files. Verify that all files are downloaded correctly and are accessible. To create an additional backup, consider using an external hard drive or USB stick. Connect your external storage device to your computer. Open the folder containing your downloaded Proton Drive files. Select the files you want to copy and drag them to your external storage device. Alternatively, you can right-click the selected files and choose the copy option. Then, right-click on your external device and select Paste. Wait for the copying process to finish before removing the external device. For added security, encrypt the files on your external storage device if possible. Now, you have successfully created offline copies of your Proton Drive files. Remember to regularly update your backups to include new files or revisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.